Welcome! We are excited to introduce to you our new online training academy. Listening to our customer feedback, this latest training concept offers convenient online training so that you and your team can develop your inspection skills at your own pace when and where it suits you. Let me now show you a taster module that's been taken from one of our brand new virtual training combo courses.
Welcome. In this course, you'll learn what is a true combination system, and we will show you how to use the CW3 checkweigher and IQ4 interface screen. And please be aware that if there is an attachment provided with any of the modules, you will need to view every page of the attachment before you'll be allowed to access the next module.
Integrated check and detect systems are designed to simultaneously inspect and weigh products. The inspection for contaminants always comes first, as there is no need to start to weigh a product if it is going to be rejected as a contaminant. Loma's integrated combination systems provide an efficient way to inspect and weigh using a single system. You can choose a system with either metal detection or X-ray inspection, along with dynamic check weighing. The ability to save space is also an advantage for a factory where space is at a premium. And all our Loma combination systems are fully integrated, with intuitive user monitors, and with the metal detector and CW3 combos, there is the ability to control from just the one screen, with both the metal and weight bins situated together at the end of the line. The metal detector communicates with the checkweigher and has no screen, and the information is viewed and controlled solely from the checkweigher screen. For example, if the metal detector detects a contaminant, the detector sends the checkweigher a metal input signal, and then the checkweigher will take command to control the reject device to send the potential contaminated pack into the metal reject bin. On a checkweigher-only machine, the setup screen has no metal detector icon, and also it's showing no communication with a metal detector, indicated by the grayed-out detector symbol. But when it is configured to be a combined machine, you will now notice the metal detector icon appearing. And have you noticed that the small detector icon is highlighted that now indicates communications between the metal detector and checkweigher?
All our courses contain module knowledge checks, which is available for you to complete for all the various modules, which is the perfect way to check your learning progress. Completing the training course will proudly unlock your official training certificate. The certificate is fully audit compliant and recognized industry-wide. Every course is crafted and designed by Loma's industry experts, ensuring you receive top-notch training that's not only engaging, but perfect for staying ahead in today's competitive market. Why not use this unique opportunity to build your knowledge? Every minute spent learning your machine is an investment in your business's future. Think of training as laying down the foundation for ongoing success and stability. We hope you enjoyed our taster video, and we invite you to visit our online store to view all our available courses and free sample modules. Simply click the link in your email, or alternatively, go to the address shown below to start your journey in mastering the latest machine training.